What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, but I'm back now. Just let's dive in. Late today, up 0.46%. Overall for the year, pretty good solid gains, up 19.6%. So yeah, everything looking good so far. As you notice, like, I'm using Robinhood, the app, for play money. I have my real investing with TD Ameritrade, but I like to use Robinhood just to play around a little bit and see what I can do with this one. We just cracked 2,000, so the next step, we're going to see if we can crack the 5,000 mark. Go over a few stocks. Alibaba, had this as in fractional shares. Pretty good company. You know, Jack Ma, CEO of Alibaba. Shopify, one of the leading commerce companies for online e-commerce. Pretty good stock. Facebook, everybody know about Facebook is pretty good gains. Netflix, another fractional share I have. Google, another fractional share. Might get some more of that. Apple. So I actually sold some of my Apple shares because I had more in my TD Ameritrade, but might get some more. The Apple, of course. Tesla, good company. Yeah, everybody know Amazon's killing it right now. Got Vanguard US REIT Fund. Got about 2 shares of that. Good dividend yield. About 3.5. We got Twitter. We got Nike. Up $62. Oops. We got Disney. Another solid company. Verizon, another good dividend yield. About 4.0%. Got G&M. Oops. Good dividend at 1.8. We got Lyft. Coca-Cola, one of Warren Buffett companies. Uber. AMD. No dividend. Good company. Cameron Grove. Got two shares of these. Kind of wish I got in more earlier, but good gains. And it's going to be a good growth stock. I'm going to get into more. Let me know what y'all think about Canopy Growth. I think that definitely be a lot of expanding. Quarterly earnings looking good. World Caribbean. Actually, check out my next video. I'm going to post soon. Got a lot of things to say about this one. But so far, solid returns. Not sure it will hold up in the long run, but we'll see. Carnival. Same with this one. Iron Mountain. Good dividend yield, 9.3. AT&T. Southwest Airlines. DraftKings, one of my favorite ones. It's going through real fast with a couple of these. Wells Fargo. JD.com, another one of my favorite. I'm definitely going to buy some more of these. Let me know what you guys think about JD.com. Another one that shot up real good in the past week. Yeah. Vision. This right here took a little hit. Which I know about Vision. Kind of had high hopes on this one. This one engages in development and laser beam scanning. That'd be a good company to get into. You got HP, Peloton killing it right now, way home. Carvana, another good car service company that deliver your cars to you. Everybody know about MasterCard. Adobe, a very good stock right now. Waste management, good. Do some good dividend. Yeah, good dividend. Microsoft. Everybody know about Microsoft. DocuSign. Zoom. Another huge company right now. Let me get some more of Zoom. And Intel. Everybody know about Intel. So yeah, so far so good this year. For a year up 19.31%. So yeah, this one get here real quick. Gave my update about how we doing. A few videos coming out. When a few articles I read, I'm gonna share those with y'all. But yeah, of course if you're new, you already know. Subscribe, like some of my videos, and leave some comments. I'm always interested in you guys' comments. All right, see you next time.